Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards. Today we're going to be going over the ST18 or the 18-inch snow trapper. So this is made out of an 032 Kynar coated aluminum. It's also available in a 24-ounce copper. The ST18 is exclusively used for new installations or installation with the roof. I'm going to briefly just go through how we would do this. So you would go through and you'd lay the course you're working on and the course that the guard face is going to be sitting on. At that point, you would place the guard where it would need to be, and then you would fasten it above the headlap, either using ring shank nails or roofing nails. So that's going to go above the headlap. Once you go through and you lay the next course of shingles, that's going to create a waterproofing barrier over your penetrations, and it's going to make it to where we don't have any sort of water intrusion into the home. If you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number is 720-379-7756, and our email address is info@RockyMountainSnowGuards.com. Thank you.